am Kottayam Municipality of Kerala. We want this a proud moment that I am winning the second time in the as part of Bharatiya Janata Party in Kottayam Municipality, and I wish to make progress for the development of basic structure of our ward in Kottayam Municipality as work with the Bharatiya Janata Party.
What was the challenges that you faced and how happy you are in your victory right now?
From day one itself of my announcement of candidature, there has been adverse criticism against me launched by the LDF and the Congress people. I thought they were probably frightened, but this went beyond an expected limit. In fact, every day there were trolls in the social media about me, and they were targeting me particularly. But somehow I am very happy to see that the people of Kerala, the people in my ward, have dismissed all those things as meaningless, and they have stood by me through thick and thin. So I am very happy.
Targeted you and even in social media, even in the polling day, you have been attacked in social media. So how do you feel about it?
Yeah, that is what, whatever I have done in the right and correct way, they have been attacking me. So I didn't want to create any problem for anybody. That has been, I have been correcting these steps because if at all I hurt anybody through my postings or anything, I have been correcting it immediately. But I know that I haven't violated any norms or any election code of conduct. I have come out victorious, and the people have stood with me, and the party has stood with me.
Last question, can we see you as a mayor in Trivandrum?
Please ask that to the party leadership. Okay, I am right now a councillor. Thank you.
Historical victory. It's a historical day, not just for the people of Trivandrum and the Karyakartas of Trivandrum, but for every Karyakarta of BJP NDA across the state, because we have made very, very significant strides in our vote share, in our political footprint, in across the state, in many, many local bodies. We are today in hardcore areas of the LDF and the UDF. BJP and the NDA have made gains, and that those gains are not short-term gains; those are permanent gains. And I think this will stand in good stead for the coming assembly election, because this local body election has certainly established one thing, that the left is out of the picture. That the LDF is something that the BJP, the people of Kerala don't want anymore. It is a certain clear message, and that now the option is between the NDA and the UDF in the coming assembly election.
In this election, when we look, BJP has put a lot of seats from the LDF. Right now, we are currently saying that there's a deal happened between LDF and BJP. So how are you going to respond to that?
Look, I have a simple rule of not responding to Congress on anything, because whatever they say usually is nonsense. This is a fight. We had a fight. We were the first ones and the ones consistently to attack the LDF for their corruption and for their malgovernance. The Congress is the one who was in the India Alliance in 27 states and 8 union territories with the CPM. So the Congress should not try and mislead the people of Kerala into believing something other than the truth, that if any party today is doing any cross-voting with anybody, it is the Congress with the CPM. And if you want an example of that, go take a look at Kodungalur results, where Congress, which used to get 200, 300 votes per booth, have been reduced to 25 votes per booth, because they have transferred the entire votes to the LDF. So the Congress better not open their mouth, because a lot of embarrassing truths will come out otherwise.
Download our News Nation app.